She started out with a CBT and a dream. On two wheels, she found her self-esteem. From the beginner seat to full license in hand, she's a badass biker, ready to command.
So, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching. Today we're heading off to the NEC for Motorcycle Live. It's Saturday, the 16th, so the first day. Hoping to have a really nice day, so that's the plan for the day. I've never been to Motorcycle Live. I don't think Bo has. You won't be able to hear him because he's not got his microphone, but I don't think either of us have been, so it'll be nice to have a walk around the halls and see what it's all about, have a look at what bikes are coming out, what's going to be new to the market, and have a sit on a few different machines. But yeah, I probably won't be test riding anything today because I've not had my bike license for 2 years, which is usually the kind of ballpark figure, a year to 2 years before you can actually test ride. So yeah, we will see what the day holds. So we'll catch you in a bit. Bye bye.
So when we get there, we're looking for the Honda bike.
I'll get you to go ahead of me because I won't be able to read all the signs and do all of that bit. Not if there's lots of other bikes there as well. Don't know what this car's doing. Parking. Stop. Hello, thanks.
You know all this traffic needs to go to Motorcycle Live?
I don't think we should go out now. We should have made that decision earlier if we're going to do that. It's a bit dodgy because we're at a standstill, aren't we? So it's fine, it's moving again. Do you want to go ahead?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Harbour Drive.
Oh,
You have to stop. Thank you.
In 150 yards, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Northway. In 300 yards, turn left onto Perimeter Road.
That's for you.
Stop getting next to you. Yeah, sorry, mate.
Hiya.
As soon as, please.
Any problems? Let me know first, okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Chuck it round. Thank you. No, okay, 1 sec. Cheers. Where are you gone?
Right to the very back. Right. There you go.
Right. It wouldn't fit Rover. I was like, just put it round. He was like, it won't fit. I was like, oh.
What?
Clever idea.
Impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's pretty painless, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually. I think ours is like the dirtiest bikes in here.
That's all right. Yeah, that was dirty. That was dirty.
No, it's not as bad. Okay,
That's
no, I
dirty.
don't feel so bad now.
Don't feel as bad.
No, poor bikes, unloved. Abused by whales. Turn that off and put it in my bag.
Excited?
Yeah.
Going, thank you. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Keep going.
Thank you.
Yep.
So here we are in Motorcycle Live. We've just had a walk round initially, and there's loads of stalls. Really impressed with the amount of merchandise and the amount of bikes and stalls there are. This is Bikeshire, where username Kate's doing her thing, not auctioning, she's doing a competition for her bike. We've already filled that in, so hopefully I hope I win that Transalp. I've entered the competition for that, so either me or Jess is going to win that. That'll be good. So this is the bike I'm going to win. Sorry. So this will be the... There's the lady herself. So just having a look at it, make sure I've got room in the garage because I've entered the competition, so check it for size. Yeah. So we're now going over to Vosges, have a look at the 900. I want to have a look at the 300, so we can do a bit of green laning. And Jess is interested in having a look at seeing how she fits on the 900 because it's like a GS. It's but a budget version. So we'll see what that's like. What we got here? We got a GoPro stand here. Oh, there's loads of people. Top tip for you all as well is don't bring too many layers. It gets rather hot in here. So we'd brought our hoodies. Jess has got rosy cheeks. Yeah, we brought loads of layers and we had to end up taking them off. Can you remember where it is, Jess? Oh, well done. You'll have to edit quite a lot of this out. I'll talk drivel. So this is it. This is the Vosges 900, which is like a budget version of the GS with a seat height, I believe, of 825mm, which is quite impressive when you think that most adventure bikes are a lot higher, which means that people of a shorter stature just can't get on them. And they can get on them, but they can't touch the ground comfortably. Now, although Jess is happy with the Yamaha, what she'd like is to be able to have an adventure bike where she can go do a bit more gravelly roads.
It started quick.
And there she is. Take your both feet flat. Balls of your feet. but you've got 1/4 of an inch off on the plate. Okay. What's standing up position feel like? All right. Oh, it's like the Yamaha one?
With the kickstand on the Tracer.
Oh, okay. So the kickstand gets in the same position.
But I got used to that on mine, that I just flick it.
Yes. Yeah. Right, let's go and have a look at the 300 rally now. Cheers, mate. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at for some green laning. So I'm going to hand the camera to Jess while I hop on. So first off, it looks similar to a CRF 300. This is the, want to come and see the cockpit? Do what?
Cutting your head off because you're too tall. But you can flat foot anyway. You don't have that problem. That kickstand's huge. That's easier. Okay.
Yeah. It does feel similar to the CRF. For 2 years warranty, and is it 3.5? Can't grumble about, can you? Oh my God!
That's that last weekend at Remington.
No way!
Because he said, I've just done a post. So he sent me that first. And then he said, you've not shown the whole video of the sort of whole really, have you? Going through Wales. He went, no, all of it. So I was dreading because the brick's a brick car,
Yeah.
And he went, right, so this was the thing. I thought this was going to be a piece of. He says, it's actually surprised me. Anyway, it came out low, but just watch it. It's worth it for that when he's telling doctor. But yeah, no, I'm not being funny. We've had CRF 300 and stuff like that, yeah.
It's half price.
Yeah.
It's good. It's best part of £6 grand now, isn't it? That's CRF. Yeah, Jess. Have a sit on that. Huh? You can get your feet down. Oh, is it the tippiest? Why am I saying that? The tippiest. Too tall.
Not too tall. I think if you're going for off-roading,
Well,
it's going to be.
don't forget, with these platforms, you've got 1/4 of an inch there, maybe not on the back, but 1/4 of an inch there, it'll drop down a little bit.
Yeah, it is alright.
This is the Yamaha stand. I think that's the new Tracer, isn't it? Is that the new Tracer, Jess? I don't know if it's just my imagination, but the Yamaha Tracer seems to look a bit more like an adventure bike, isn't it?
It still looks like a sports tourer.
A sports tourer, but it's more of a sit upright.
Yeah.
Perhaps it's the way the panniers are.
Sit upright. I like it in that colour.
Silver.
I like it in that colour.
I'm black.
Yeah.
Here we are at the Suzuki stand. I want to go over and have a look at the DRZ. Is this the DRZ? Oh, this is it. That is a machine, that is. Doesn't say a price, does it? Jess, it'd be worth having a look at the RE. Can you see an RE? There you go. Have a sit on that for height. Give us your bag. So this is Jess sitting on the RE, see how it feels for size. Can you get your feet down okay? Same as the Tracer. Don't forget you've got the plate underneath the bike. About the same. And how do you feel for, like, I'm talking gravelly roads and things like that, more of an adventure bike? Yeah. Handguards, obviously, put some bark busters on it. Semi-knobbly tyres. Hang on, get a picture of you on it. Yeah, it's a nice bike, isn't it? What's that retail at? So yeah, it's not bad, is it?
As you saw on the big screen, we've got the Performance Academy, which is our track school based at Mallory Park and headed up by Taylor McKenzie. That's a really, really good high-end track school. It's not enough trying to follow me and keep up and good luck with it. It's a real detailed school to improve your track riding. So it's definitely worth going and having a chat with them. And then finally, we've got the off-road school down in South Wales, which is where these reprobates come from that are in the arena with me now. Neil, tell us a little bit about the off-road school.
We're based in South Wales.
Yeah, perfect.
We've usually got a little bit more dirt than this to play on. We've got 4,000 acre playground in Wales, and it is amazing for these bikes. We can teach you from absolute beginner up to level 3, doing all the stuff that we're doing here on these bikes. So it's a fantastic 2 days.
It still feels like a proper bike. It still drives. It rides like a bike that has got a normal clutch.
That's not normal though, Chris.
That's not normal behaviour. And ride on. And that is a massive advantage. And it just makes touring, travelling, getting around the world, getting off the beaten track even easier. Ben, are you with us yet? Most importantly, it does still do skids and wheelies, which are the two most important parts of motorcycling. Isn't that right, Ben?
It is right. And jumps like this.
And you can still jump. So if you're driving down a trail somewhere and there's a massive hole, you're still covered with the automatic clutch assist bike. The bike sits higher in its springs, and it's designed to give you a more aggressive style of GS. So for off-road and on-road riding, everything's a bit sharper, a bit pointier. You can do bigger jumps. Neil, why have you picked that one today?
Well, this was new last year, and I've spent a lot of time on it, and I'm comfortable with the clutch. Is that the reason you want the
Fair point.
This is definitely more off-road orientated. With the larger travel and little rally screen, little bits and pieces that make this a little bit more nimble off-road, so we can play around a lot more. Okay, let's have a little diagram then. So after the show, we're going to be in here. We can answer any of your questions if you're interested in the off-road school, or if you want to just get your hands on these bikes, have a go at the adaptive ride height, control, feel the height of this sport suspension. We can even get you on the adaptive height there on the adventure if you want to come in and get your hands on them. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Give
Yep, can hear you. Okay. Hiya. It's on that slide, underneath that sleeve somewhere there. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You alright, Bo? I'm assuming this way.
Southeast.
It's closed.
The roundabout. Take the third exit onto North Avenue.
Are you sure? Yes.
In 150 yards, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Northway.
Thank you.
Exit the roundabout onto Northway.
So we've just left NEC for the Motorcycle Live show. It was really good. Had a walk around some of the stands. Yeah, met some people. Met username Kate.
In a quarter of a
Met
mile,
the
Mill interchange.
famous Mike Pye on Twitch.
Oh, you met a couple of people to watch the channel?
We did, yeah. They asked for a photo, so we obliged. They were lovely. Names Kerry and Lee. So thanks, Kerry and Lee. Made our day. You coming over and saying hello. Yeah, it was really nice. That was the first time that's happened, so apologies if I was a bit like, hello, this is strange. But they were a really lovely couple, really nice people. And Kerry's passed a test recently as well, so well done, Kerry, and good luck with the new bike day. It'll be coming soon enough. And I look forward to hearing which one you go for. So yeah, it was a really nice day. Don't really know what else to say, to be honest. I don't think I'm in the right lane, I know that much. But yeah, had a really, really cool time. Had a wander around all the different stalls, exhibitors, whatever they're called. Yeah. Do you want to add anything, Bo?
No, that was it.
Cool.
It was a good back day.
Mhm.
It was busy.
Mhm.
It was non-stop going stand to stand.
Mhm.
Bumped into some people that we already some friends of ours, so we bumped into Mark,
Yeah.
and that was nice. Had a chat at the bar.
Yeah, that's nice.
Some of his friends. And,
Yeah.
it was nice to see all the bikes.
Yeah.
A lot of them have already been out, but it was really nice to see them. So I like to try the boats, but I am very tempted to get one, so it's nice to be able to sit on one. And,
Yeah.
to the ADR stuff as well.
Mhm.
And a few competitions as well, so fingers crossed we win one of those.
Yeah, that'd be good. That would be good.
So as you can see, it's dark now, and it was quite cold, and it is wet and raining. So decided that it's probably not going to be much fun watching all the ride home. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.